Okay, hello, my name is Isidro Macaring and I come from Mozambique. I work for UNAC. UNAC is the National Union of Small Farmers. First, it was created as an organization to do advocacy, as in that period our country was changing the political and social and economical system from socialism to capitalism. So it was necessary to create an organization which will secure that the farmers, small farmers' interests will be on the new policies that were being shaped, especially around the land and support that the government will give to agriculture, because in this period they was taking too much privatizations. We have a project throughout the whole country that we are trying to recover and save specific seeds from some crops.